RoviTire. We love it. We can't stop.
Let's go.
When a commercial tire goes down, the truck stops. When the truck stops, time, money, and business stop moving. That is why Atlanta calls RoviTire mobile commercial tire service built for real working trucks. Semi-trucks, trailers, box trucks, fleet vehicles, buses, owner-operators, dispatchers, and logistics teams. RoviTire brings mobile tire help directly to you. No shop visit, no wasted trip, no sitting around wondering who to call. We come to the roadside, truck stops, fleet yards, warehouses, loading docks, and job sites. From I-285 to I-75, from I-85 to I-20, across Atlanta and throughout Georgia, RoviTire keeps commercial wheels turning. Need tire replacement, trailer tire service, box truck tire help, emergency roadside support, after-hours service? Call the team built for commercial pressure. Fast service, reliable help, professional work, real mobile support. RoviTire helps drivers, fleets, and dispatchers get back on the road with confidence. Because every minute matters, every load matters, every truck matters, every customer matters. RoviTire, Roadside Pro. Call 770-744-5037.
Take care.